Welcome to the first part of our Salesforce Associate course. I'm sorry, but this first part will be a bit theoretical, and we start here like we do it with every course. You will, of course, get the links from us. Please here have a look at the exam overview, and here you see here also that's on Trailhead. We will come to this in a second. And let's have a look at the exam outline. And you see here that even the biggest part here, and I'm sorry, you will get the links. There's a lot of things you have to learn on your own, is this Salesforce ecosystem. It's 32%. Then it's 28% navigation, data model, reports, and dashboards. So only 4 topics here. And let's start here with the Salesforce ecosystem. So here you need to learn, or you need to know, let's say, basically everything which is connected to Salesforce itself. And let me give you here a short overview. We start here with Trailhead. So Trailhead is really like the Salesforce school, to say here is everything you need to learn. You have a lot of the so-called trails. You will also find the link here to this trail mix for this course, where you have all your lessons here, and then you find, let's say, this trails for nearly every Salesforce topic. And it's also some kind of gamification. You can here earn so-called badges with every trail you've done. So let's keep this in mind. Trail is really the school for Salesforce. And once you have a look at this Trailhead, there are also this Trailhead Playgrounds. As it is called, it's really just a playground where you can test new features. Please don't mess up this playground with a developer edition. We will come to this developer edition in a second, because I want you to create a developer edition. This Trailhead Playground is really just for testing new features. It's always for Trailhead lessons. So you might get something you have to, let's say, not even code. It's something you have to build on your own, and therefore you can create here a playground. It usually comes with an install package for exactly this topic you're working on. And next to it, and this Trailhead, there is also a Trailblazer community, and also self-explaining. Here, that's a community. You can sign up and let's get in touch with all the Salesforce experts worldwide. You can ask questions, answer questions, of course, and also create ideas and share it with the community. Another very helpful feature is this Salesforce help. And here you can find everything, all the documentations or updates, really based on the product itself. So you can see here, can just type in validation rules, for example. You do not have to know what it is at the moment. We will come to this in later courses. And here you find all the documentations in it. And if you, let's say, plan to spread your knowledge around Salesforce and will take one of our courses, then you will get, a lot of links to the Salesforce help articles. So remember, everything related to products is on Salesforce help. And what you also need to know is this: what is Salesforce 360? So this 360, stands for 360 degrees. So the view you can have on a customer. Say usually you start an implementation with the Salesforce Sales Cloud. So you have here the sales view on your customer. Let's say once you close the deal, you can also, once you close the deal, you can also put services to it. And You can also add marketing, so that all these different clouds, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud when it comes to portals and so on. And so you can create this 360-degree view on your customer, and also all of your departments, sales, marketing, service, and so on, can collaborate in one org. And that's the reason why it's called this Customer 360. So now we come to the different types of instances you have. Usually you have, once you work as an admin or you get in touch or you start, you have a production org, or you build a production org. Next to this production org, you have a few kind of sandboxes to it. So the sandbox is just a copy of your live environment, and you can have a full sandbox, so with all your data in it, and it goes down to a partial copy, a developer pro sandbox, or just a developer sandbox. This is a copy of your org without any data in it. And you can just also then play around it, but it's no playground. And next to it, next to your live org and the sandboxes, you can also create your own developer org. That's what I really would recommend to do, so also for the next phases of this course, because then you can do everything we're doing also on your own. It's completely for free. You can sign up here. Of course, you will get the link from me, and create here your own developer edition. And here you can build, your own system from scratch and try out whatever you want. And once we talk about the Salesforce ecosystem, there's another thing, that's this multi-tenant cloud. What does this mean? It's basically about how the whole Salesforce system itself is hosted. So Salesforce, you have here always this example with the skyscraper. Here you have your dedicated space for you. It's safe, but it's hosted with, let's say, a lot of other companies in one place. Which means that even if you're a small company who wants to get all the Salesforce services, you get the same services when it comes to power, storage, features, and so on, as a big customer, and you have just here one apartment in this big building. Then there are two topics left. One is this Salesforce career path. To be honest, from my experience, once you start with Salesforce, you have infinite opportunities in which direction you want to go. So it's really relevant for the exam, but from my perspective, please learn this on your own. And the last thing we have, which is really cool feature, is the App Exchange. And the App Exchange is like the Play Store for Salesforce. You can here search for all the apps. And I searched here for this Zoom trip, for example. That's a cool feature. You will find another video here. I really like it, and it's also for free. Here you can just discover your unused fields in Salesforce on your objects. And here you can search for all, let's say, apps you need or solutions. And as I said, this one is for free. There are also other features which you have to pay for. So Salesforce provides a lot of cool features out of the box, but there are a few things you might need such an app for it, and then here you can search for it. One more thing I want to say here, that's the App Exchange website itself, but you can also have a look at it directly from your Salesforce setup. Go in here and search for App Exchange in the setup, and can also here then select the features you want. As I said, once again, sorry, this is really a very, very theoretical part of this course, and I promise in the next videos it's getting better. And do me and please do yourself a favor and create this developer org, and then you can try everything we're doing also on your own. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next video.